Students, let us discuss another question on the substitution method, and this question is asked in January 2019, the ninth date. So this is 2019 JE question. F of x is equal to integration of 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 upon x square plus 1 plus 2x power 7 whole square dx when x is greater than or equal to 0 and f of 0 is equal to 0, then the value of f of 1 is dash. This is the question. Option A, B, C, D given. Let us see what I told. The same process you do it. Just do the same process. What you do here, integration of 5x power 8 plus 7x power 6 upon what I told you, highest power to take common. So take highest power common, x power 7 take common. So inside left x power minus 5 plus here when I take x power 5, you have x square. Is how much less you have? X power 5 less. So that will get to minus power. So x power minus 5 plus here 1. So there is no x. So x power minus 7 remain plus here x power 7 common out. So left 2. The whole square. So the same method you have to follow. Okay. Integration of 5 into x power 8 plus 7x power 6 upon, now separate this power to this one, x power 7 to the 14 x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 whole square dx. Now what I told you, after separating this one, you have to separate this power to each one. So now if you separate this one, what I get? 5 x power, how much I get here? 8 minus 14, that is minus 6. 7 x power 6 minus 14, that is minus 8. Now this one I told you, this one you have to take t, x power minus 5 plus x power minus 7 plus 2 is t. Then if you differentiate this one, minus 5 x power minus 6 minus 7 x power minus 8, dx is equal to dt. So what I get here, now this whole thing is the numerator, with minus dt I am getting. So I can write this whole thing is minus dt upon what I consider this one as t square. So what is integration of minus 1 by t square is plus 1 by t, plus 1 by t. Already we have done many problems, plus c. So you got this one. So integration you got, but he is saying something, f of 0 is equal to 0. What is the value of f of 1? And f of x is the integration of this function, means whatever you get integration, that is the function. So let us complete this one. Okay, what I am getting here is f of x is equal to what I got here, 1 by t plus c. What is 1 by t? T is this one. So 1 by t, that is 1 by x power 5 plus 1 by x power 7 plus 2 plus c. Now they given as f of 0 is equal to 0. Just substitute f of 0 here. F of 0 is equal to 1 by 1 upon x power pi, 1 upon 0 power 7, 0 power 5 plus 2 plus c. So 1 upon 0, 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is infinity. Infinity plus 2 is infinity. 1 upon infinity is infinity. So f of 0 they given 0. 0 is equal to, here this value 0 plus c. That is c is equal to 0. It means c value you got 0, then function will be what here? This is the function plus c. So plus c is become 0. F of x is 1 upon x power 5 plus 1 upon x power 7 plus 2. Now he is asking to find f of 1. F of 1 will be 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2. That is 1 plus 1 plus 2. That is 1 by 4. Option D is the right answer. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you so much.